The main characteristics of the inexpensive iPhone SE2: it can go on sale in February-March next year. A Chinese insider revealed new details about the upcoming iPhone SE2. The smartphone should be an inexpensive continuation of the popular model of 2016. According to the informant, Apple plans to start delivering goods in December. On sale, iPhone SE2 will most likely appear no earlier than February next year. The insider also confirmed that the new smartphone will work on the fresh Apple A13 platform, as in the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. At the same time, the device will turn out to be quite inexpensive, compared to other Apple models, of course. In China, its value will not exceed 3,000 yuan. Recall, the next big presentation of Apple with the new iPhone is expected in the fall of 2020.